In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to feedback on eBay. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to respond in a way that protects your reputation, reassures customers, and keeps your account looking professional. First, head to ebay.com on a desktop browser. At the top of the page, hover your mouse over My eBay. Don't click yet. Just pause your cursor so the menu drops down. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your selling tools. Hovering here is the quickest way to reach the areas where your feedback lives and where you'll be able to respond. From that drop-down menu, click on Selling. This opens your selling overview or seller hub, depending on your account. Think of this as your control center. It's where you track orders, listings, and importantly, your feedback and seller metrics. Let the page load fully so all the panels and links are visible. On this selling page, look for your username. Right next to it, you'll see a number, often in parentheses, that represents your feedback score. Click that number. This link takes you straight to your feedback profile, where all the comments and ratings associated with your account are collected. Here, you can scan recent feedback, see the breakdown of positive, neutral, and negative ratings, and decide which comment you want to address. This view helps you spot patterns and prioritize which responses will have the most impact. Now, on the feedback profile page, find the specific comment you want to address and click Reply. This opens a small text box for your public response. Keep your message short, professional, and focused on resolution. For positive feedback, a simple thank you and an invitation to shop again reinforces goodwill. For neutral or negative feedback, acknowledge the concern, state what you've done or can do to help, and guide the buyer to continue the conversation through eBay messages for order-specific details. Avoid sharing personal or order-sensitive information in your public reply. Stay calm, avoid blame, and stick to facts. A clear, courteous tone shows future buyers that you take service seriously. Before posting, reread your reply for clarity and spelling. A clean response looks more credible. When you're satisfied, confirm the reply so it appears under the original comment. That's it. Hover over My eBay, click Selling, click the feedback number beside your username, and then click Reply to craft a professional response. Make replying a regular habit and keep your tone consistent and helpful to strengthen trust with every customer who views your profile.